Good morning, guys. Printed this one overnight. It's a catapult launch glider. So there'll be a link in the video description to the files. Using up one of my little rolls of filament again. Took less than 5 meters. Right, should just clip in there. I think that's it. And then back you have to bend up a bit to get it to pop in there. Alright, okay. I'll have to go and try it. I'm back home now, obviously. So a quick summary on this 3D printed glider. It works fine. The only problem is trying to film it because it's so small. I doubt whether we actually got any good footage of it flying. But yeah, it flies. You can adjust it by bending up and down here. I actually gave it a little bit of up there. But yeah, it flies. I actually lost sight of it at one point, but luckily found it again several minutes later. But I don't think we got any good video of it flying. I'll show you the video now. I'll strongly edit it, I think. Hi guys. I think I call this Hops Road. I can't remember what its proper name is. A little bit windy. 2 gliders to try out. 3D printed. And a foam one that I put a stiffener, a wooden hook on it. So we'll probably fly them separately. Hat camera time. Try this one first. Well, that went all right. I've lost all faith in my hat camera at the moment. I just can't seem to get the shots. Well, I think all I can say is it certainly flies, but I don't think we're getting any pictures of it. It flies too fast and it's too small. I can see what's happening. The wing's flexing a bit as it's flying, so it's actually wavering quite a bit as it's going along. Well, I don't expect for 1 minute the camera caught that, but that was a very interesting flight. It does this as it's going along. Oh, I lost sight of it. Oh dear, completely lost sight of it. Spotted my glider.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.